So upon further investigation, my leak is actually coming from I upgraded to stainless steel lines, and I guess I forgot to tighten the line that comes into the fender area, master cylinder. So obviously I pumped some stuff and saw where my fluid is coming from. So hopefully this is the only one that is loose. I will check all 4 of them and make sure they are good, and I should have some good solid brakes after this. So let me get this tightened up and see what we get. So I'm using this cheap little OEM tools 1-man brake bleeder kit, which is just a bottle. Open the bleeder valve there, put the nipple there so there no air can get in, but it'll just bleed out into the tube, so you're not spilling fluid all over the place. Makes it super easy. So the link to this will be in the description. You can just pick it up from the store, or I ordered from Amazon, got here in less than 24 hours. And it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna bleed the brakes now because they are tight, but I think there's just some air in the system from being open. So I'm gonna bleed it with this kit and see what we get. All right, we're gonna open the bleeder valve. That is open, and I'm gonna go pump the brakes. Oh, I didn't have it open all the way. Like there's no bubbles in the line. And then I'll just close it back. And then I didn't waste all this fluid. I can just pour this right back in and we're good. Guys, I finally got the car out of the freaking garage. Officially my first drive, even though I barely hit the gas or got out of first gear. I say this is a win. Still a lot of stuff moving around and going on in here, but brought it over here to the car wash. Really probably not gonna wash it like that, but apartment complex has a nice little car wash here, so figured I would see if I can make it over. Still need to check some more stuff on the suspension and on the rear. I hear some stuff clunking around back there. The brakes need to be rebled because they're going to the floor. I ordered a new master cylinder. It should be here in the morning, so I can replace that to see if that will get rid of the brakes going to the floor. But yeah, I made it over to the car wash. I think that is a freaking win, guys. Freaking win. Oh, that just felt good. Even though I drove it like three meters, that was awesome. So unfortunately, I did not get the drive back into the garage because I recorded it on Instagram Live and it's not letting me download the video to put it in this video. So if you go over to my Instagram, R3TV_, you will see the experience that I had driving this car back into the garage. It wasn't too bad. It's just a lot going on, but I'm happy to have this thing back in the garage. Also was able to go pick up some of the goodies that I'm going to send these off. I think on Instagram, his name is Shizzle CB7. I have to look it up, but I'm going to send these out to get fixed up and get cleared for the one-piece lights. I also have my fender. If you guys remember this video, this is what the car is gonna look like once I get done wrapping it. I just wrapped the fender. It's gonna go from this is busted fender to this right here. So that'll look good. So guys, I'm going to, in the next video, I'll be replacing this master cylinder. It just came in the mail today. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video and get it uploaded. Get that master cylinder replaced and brakes bled, and we'll keep it moving. And with that, you guys go ahead and hit the like button on this video right now. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Bell notification so you know when I upload, whenever that is. I want to thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are enjoying that the car is getting some progress going. It's running good. There's a lot of things I need to do still, but we're making progress. I'll see you guys in the next. Peace.